Hello viewers, welcome to another video of C, and here I'm going to teach you how to use the arithmetic operators. Before we start, just like and subscribe my channel so you get the latest updates about all the coming videos and the new lessons regarding other languages. Okay, so before we start, let's give a quick recap of all those things. What our arithmetic operators are. These are the list of the arithmetic operators that can be used into the programming. Okay, and we can just directly implement it with the variables or to the direct integers. And just remember one thing, this sign does not symbolize the equality sign. Okay, it is the assignment operator. Just remember that it's an assignment operator. It will transfer the value from the left side, whatever the value are placed on the right hand side, it will be transferred to the left hand side. Okay, it will not compare the two values if you use a single assignment operator, that is single equals to. Okay, and if you want to just have a review about all those things which I have taught you, you can just go back to the previous videos. I have given it into the description link. You can just check it out about the operators and other things. Okay, so let's start coding. Okay, so here we are. So let's start the coding section now, and you will learn how we can use the arithmetic operators in our simple program. Okay, let's call in some preprocessors. To the stdio dot. As I told you, the sequence can be anything, but they should be called before the main body of your program. Okay, I'm going to use the void main here. I'm not going to specify or stress out to the integer main now. Okay, if you are using void main, just remember that you don't have to use return value with this. Okay, if you use any other type of data type for the function, then you have to specify a return type for it. Okay, so for the clear screen, now let us assign two variables, int a, b and c. Okay, this way also you can assign the variables to your program. Okay, the comma is represented as a separator, so it will separate this part from this part and to this part. Okay, now as we have assigned the three variables, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the user input for the values a and b. Okay, and then I'm going to do the sum of these two numbers. Okay, so let us get the statement. Enter two values to sum. As I told you, statements are very important because it signifies what the purpose of the program is to the end user. Now let's give one more statement. Value first. A. Okay, now scanf double quotes percentage d comma and b. Yeah. Okay, so we have taken input in a and b all together. Now what I'm going to do is operator to sum the two inputs. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use C, then I'm going to use the assignment operator. Okay, and simply just add two numbers. So simple, you have to do nothing, just use the variable C will hold the some values of A and B. Now the question is, why we are not using AND operator over here? Like we are assigning a value over here to A and B, so we are using this ampersand sign, and why not be using it over here? The reason is, the values assigned over here are coming from the console. Okay, so at this point of program, the values are assigned through the user, so they are coming from outside the program. Now as soon as the values are assigned, they are a part of program. So after that, when you sum them, you don't have to specify the memory location for this, because as part of the within program, it already holds the memory location for itself. So what it does is, it take these values, add it up over here, and transfer it to the C. The A and B, which values they are holding, it will be transferred to C. Okay, now C is having the value, so let's just print it out. And answer is equals to %d comma C. Okay, and to hold the program, get ch. That's it. So this is our program. Let us compile it first. For compiling, use Alt F9. Perfect. Now use Control F9 to run the program. Okay, so here we are. Now my programming asking me to enter two values to sum it. So let's enter 12 for the first value, and for second value let's enter 6. Okay, and let's press enter, and we get the answer 18. That's so perfect. I think you got it, right? So this is how you can sum any number of values in this particular order. You can even use 3 values, 4 values, 5 values. I just suggest you do the same program by taking 5 inputs from the user, okay, 5 different values, and then sum them. Okay, just the same method, just you have to initialize more and more variables over here, and then just put the operator in the specific order. Okay, one more thing, that the C follow the bead mass rule. Yeah, it is very much similar to the baud mass rule. So remember, C uses bead mass rule. So what it stands for? It stands for bracket exponent division multiplication addition and subtraction. Okay, so just remember, it will always follow this rule to solve the particular program, or the algorithms, or the formulas what you will be assigning to your program. This is so simple, you don't have to very much just stress out on any of the things. You just have to focus on your formulas and other things which you are assigning to this particular program. Okay, so this is how we all will be working on this. Is it clear? So guys, just like and subscribe my channel for more updates. I'm going to teach you more and more about this arithmetic operators in a coming session on this. Okay, take care.